name's Jeb Corliss, and I live in Venice, California, and I'm a professional base jumper.
I'm Roberta Mancino, and I'm Italian, and I'm a professional skydiver, and now I'm a base jumper.
I understand that, my dreams are most other people's nightmares. For some people, the concept of standing on the edge of a building and jumping off of it is the single most horrifying, most unpleasant idea that you could ever even come up with. My nightmare is the thought of sitting in an office working on a computer. That's a nightmare. I can't even imagine something more horrifying.
Or any other job.
Every individual person has their dream, and every individual person has a right to live their dream. My dream isn't any better or any worse than anybody else's, but it is mine. But yeah, that's what life is. You have a bunch of dreams, and then you do what you can to try to make them come true. Where are we? Tell me where we are.
In a bird park.
Sanctuary.
Okay.
It keeps the little birds happy and healthy and alive. Basically, we were working on a new TV show, a new project, and we needed a female who would be able to deal with excessively high levels of horror. And I found out about Roberta because of her skydiving background. She had over 5,000 skydives, one of the best freestyle skydivers in the world, one of the best free flyers on the planet. It was the beginning
We
of
start with emails and then Skype and then phone calls. How many months we've been talking? Like maybe
3 months?
3 months?
4 months. Then we met each other.